Hey everyone, today I am going to explain what you learn in the Google Project Management Certificate. This program has 7 courses and is perfect for general course foundation. You learn what project management is, what a project manager does, and the basic skills needed. Codes to project initiation. You learn how to start a project, understand stakeholders, and set goals and scope. Course 3 Project Planning. This course covers timelines, time estimates, and milestones to organize the entire project. Course for project execution, you learn how to run the project, track progress, manage risks, and close the project properly. Fifth one, Agile project management. You explore Agile and Scrums, their values, rules, and how they help teams and foster. Course 6 Capstone project. You create real project documents and build your own portfolio. 7th one Job search and AI. You learn how to use AI tools to write resumes, search for jobs, and prepare for interviews. This certificate helps you become job ready for a fast moving career in project management. Thank you for everyone's. If you found this useful, don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe for more helpful videos. Thank you for everyone. Bye bye.